Hi, dear students, how are you today? Our lesson for today is 9.3. Add fractions with alike denominators or same or common denominators. Look here, if I have a fraction like this, we said before, fraction means a symbol that we use to name part out of whole. Here we have two parts out of 5. 5 is the total number of parts plus 1 out of 5. Here we have a fraction strip. How many parts in all? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to add 2 out of 5 plus 1 out of 5 by using fraction strip. The first step, I will show 2 out of 5 on the fraction strip. Here we shaded 2 parts out of 5. Now I want to add one more part. 1 out of 5. So I will shade another part. Now, teacher, how many shaded parts we have after we add 2 out of 5 plus 1 out of 5? We have 1, 2, 3 parts out of 5, teacher, out of 5. If you look here to the fraction, you will find that both of the fractions have the same denominator. We have here 5 and here 5. So the first step, when you add fractions, you will look at denominators. If you have the same denominators, you will keep it as it is. And add what, teacher? Add the numerator. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Here we have another example. 2 out of 12 plus 11 out of 12. The first step we said, I will look at the denominator. We have here 12 and here we have 12. So I will keep 12 as it is. After that, I will add the numerator. 2 plus 11 equals 13. But teacher, we said before, fraction means part out of whole. But we have here 13 parts out of 12. The numerator is greater than denominator. So, teacher, what should we do? This is called improper fraction. Improper fraction. So, what should we do? I will decompose this fraction to write it as two fractions. The first one is 12 out of 12. Plus, I will keep the denominator as it is, which is 12. And 13 equals 12 plus 1. Now, teacher, we said before, if the numerator like denominator, so this fraction equals 1 whole. It will be 1 whole plus 1 out of 12 equals 1 plus 1 out of 12. It will be mixed number, a whole number which is 1 and a fraction which is 1 out of 12. Let's start our lesson. Page 479. Find each sum. Use drawings or fraction strips as needed. Number 7. 2 out of 8 plus 1 out of 8. The first step we said, I will look at the denominator. We have here 8 and 8. So I will keep 8 as it is. Don't add it. We never add denominators. So I will write 8 as it is. Now, teacher, the second step, I will add the numerator. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Number 10, 3 out of 10 plus 2 out of 10. The first step, I will look at denominators. We have the same or like denominators, so I will keep it as it is. 10, 10, 10. After that, I will add the numerators. 3 plus 2 equals 5. But can I write this fraction in a simple form? Yes, teacher. We have here 5 out of 10. Both of them can be divided by 5. So I will divide up and down by 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. And here 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Number 13. 4 out of 5 plus 3 out of 5 plus 2 out of 5. The first step, I will look at the denominator. We have here 5, 5, 5. Keep it as it is. After that, I will add only the numerators. 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7 plus 2 equals 9. So the sum will be 9 out of 5. But teacher, this called improper fraction. Improper fraction. How can I decompose it to write it as mixed number? I will find out how many 5s can go into 9. How many 5 into 9? We have only one 5, so I will decompose it and write it as 5 out of 5 plus 4 out of 5. I will write 5 out of 5 as one whole. One whole plus 4 out of 5, it will be mixed number 1 and 4 out of 5. Number 16, 3 out of 6 plus 9 out of 6. We have here fraction plus improper fraction. The first step, I will look at the denominators. 6, 6, I will keep 6 as it is. After that, teacher, the next step, add the numerators. 3 plus 9 equals 12. As we know that 12 out of 6 or 12 divided by 6 equals 2. I will write equals 2. Next page. Number 24, page 480. Draw lines connecting each fraction or mixed number on the left with the correct expression on the right. I will solve the right side first. We have here 3 fractions. One of them is improper fraction. I will circle it. We have 32 divided by 8 or out of 8. 32 out of 8 equals 4. I will write 4. Now we have 2 fractions, 2 proper fractions. I will keep 8 as it is and add the numerators together. 8, 3 plus 2 equals 5. 5 out of 8 plus 4, it will be mixed number, equals 4 and the 5 out of 8. Which one of them? The second one. After that, we have 2 out of 6 plus 4 out of 6. The first step, I will look at the denominators. We have 6 and the 6, so keep 6 as it is. I will write 6 equals and here 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 out of 6 equals 1 whole. We have the numerator is equal to denominator, so it will be the last one. The third problem, 2 out of 4 plus 1 out of 4. I will look at the denominators. 4 and the 4, I will keep 4 as it is. Equals 4. Look here, 4, 4, 4. Then I will add 2 plus 1 equals 3. I will match it with the first one. 6 out of 6 plus 1 out of 6. We have the same denominator. I will keep it as it is. 6 plus 1 equals 7, so it will be 7 out of 6. We finished our session for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time, inshallah. Goodbye.